Sophia Ali, KTN.
Thank you, Sophia Ali, for that. So let's take a look at what you'll be waking up to in tomorrow's edition of Kenya's bold newspaper, The Standard. The headline is Ruto's land question. President William Ruto's name has recently been linked to land disputes across various parts of the country, from Taveta to Naivasha and now Narok. Before becoming president, Ruto served as a member of parliament and later as a minister, during which he was involved in several land-related court battles, some of which he won and others he lost. Now, Kenyans are now questioning these entanglements that seem to contradict the constitutional demand for dignity in the office of the president. Standard will be giving an in-depth look at that particular story, and also the issue of Kotu. Atwoli set to run for Secretary General all over again. What about the age-old riddle at Kotu? We will be interrogating that, as well as justice for protesters as court lifts ban on city demos. All this in store for you, so be sure to grab a copy.
You're watching KTN Prime. We'll take a fast break coming up.